Welcome to the Social Rugrats Managing a Business tutorial. If you've claimed your business and you would like to make any changes, please click on the icon in the top right that looks like a little shop hut. Select the business you would like to manage, and it will take you to the business management section. The business management section has a submenu that has page, manage activities, add to add another activity to your place, and also it has page settings and help. To make any changes to your page, click on page settings. It has the option to change your name, to change the category, and you can also choose a vanity URL once you have 10 people save your profile and you've completed your page profile as well. You can also add page managers to your business. Click on add another person, and then you can search for people that are on our site and that have actually saved your page. Just type in the name up here and it will start to pull up, and then you can click and it will add them as a page manager. They will get a notification and have to verify that they're wanting to be a page manager on your business. This also lets you select what kind of notifications you would like to receive from Social Rugrats. The options currently are new messages arrive, activity list is almost empty, activities have new attendees, you will get a daily report, and then also an activity report. If you do not like to receive any of these messages, just switch them to off and hit Save Changes. To manage your activities that are on Social Rugrats, click on Manage Activities, and this will display any activities that are active according to these dates. This one has recently been canceled, and then we have an option of inactive. Those are the ones that have expired. That means they've gone past the event date. To add more, click on Add, and it will open the new activity window where you can proceed to enter a new event. To get back to your page, just click on Page, and you can view any of the changes, and you will see all your events that you've created in your calendar. That concludes the business management tutorial. Thank you for watching.